Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our paint through video for A Song of Ice and Fire tabletop miniature game Starfall Knights. We've got the 4 cavalry units that go with House Martell here. We're going to do a little bit of a detailed check and review of these figures just to kind of appreciate these sculpts before we jump into the paint through. Then I'm going to basically hit them with a brown prime. I've got a gloss brown shaker can that I'm going to hit them with just to cover the horse colors. I've noticed in the box art that all the horses are brown, so I'm not going to... I thought to make 2, like a black one and a white one and 2 brown ones, but I'll make all 4 horses brown. But I'm also going to hit it with a matte clear coat so I can paint over that gloss. Up close, the minis look great. The details are amazing on these. Lots of easy lines to paint. The horse reins and the different saddle components and the cloaks, very easy access. So I'll read a little bit about the Starfall Knights and then we'll get them out to be primed, and then we'll get the paint through done. Thanks you guys for watching. As we appreciate these sculpts, we've got the bannerman here. I'll just read a little bit about the Starfall Knights. It says, climate is an important factor when equipping and training an army. With the hot climate in Dorne, the Starfall Knights of House Dane, vassals of House Martell, are more lightly armored than most heavy cavalry. However, what they lack in armor they make up for in speed and maneuverability, letting them strike at opponents for unexpected quarters, applying their lances to devastating effect during charges. So I'm looking forward to getting these on the tabletop. If you guys like and subscribe, you can see when we'll play these. I think I might do them against the Baratheons. I've also got the Baratheon Champions of the Stag that I need to get painted up. So you guys can like and subscribe. You can look forward to when we do Baratheon versus Martell with the Starfall Knights and the Champions of the Stag. Okay, let's get these out to be primed, and we'll see you at the end of the video in the hero shots. Thanks for watching, guys. that's about going to wrap up this video. We're going to get a clear coat on these. We're going to do a quick message from our sponsor, and then we'll see you in the final shots of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Pontos Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books we produce. We've got a bookstore link down below where you can check out books like King in Yellow and Lost Carcosa and the Yellow Sign. We've got our podcast series and featuring a number of our podcasts like Esoteric Dragon Mysteries, Saturn Mysteries, and other books on our fiction topics. We've got the works of Giuseppe Balsamo and August Moldenhauer, our Cthulhu line, and also collected in the one-volume Cat 2 Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence. Finally, we've got William Mitchell's Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, and Artificial Psychoanalysis of Desiring Machines, also available in the 3 volumes. Go check out our bookstore and go to our Patreon, like and subscribe, leave a message. Your support really helps us to grow the channel and get noticed by the algorithm. Leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the wrap-up of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll take you out with a flyover of the minis. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified when we get these on the gameplay board. Like I mentioned, I'll probably pit these guys against the Baratheons. So thanks for making it to the end, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.